Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science. Today we will understand the recursion fourth part, in which we will understand the Fibonacci series. So content are as follows student. Fibonacci number with using recursion, algorithm or Fibonacci series, then an animation based on Fibonacci series creation, and second last Fibonacci program using recursion, at last program and practical. So student, let's begin. So here you can see student a series you can see which starts from 0, and every term the content is going to be increased and way 0 1, then after that this 0 and 1 will be add together and new term will be created of the series, that is 1. Again these two number will be add together and new series will come, that is 2. Okay, so on this list will be created till then n number of terms. So according to definition of Fibonacci series, a series of numbers in which each number is sum of two preceding numbers. Okay, the simplest form of the series is 0 1 1 2 3 5 8. Here you can see student, I have explained this particular series by step. Suppose that first natural number is 0, then the second natural number is 1. So if these both number are going to be add together, so they will create a new number, that is 1 again. So series will be formed 0 1 1. Okay, and last two term are 1 and 1, so new term are going to be 1 plus 1 will be 2. So new series will be created here 0 1 1 then 2, and new term the last series you can see that 1 and 2, so 1 plus 2 will be 3. So last term will be add to the series, here is 0 1 1 2 3. Okay, and same way last two terms are 2 and 3, so 2 plus 3 will be form 5. So finally our series will be 0 1 1 2 3 and 5. It's up to 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 term. Okay, now come to the algorithm of the Fibonacci. So here you can see student, algorithm is a step-by-step solution of particular program, okay, in a some form of the notation codes also. So here suppose that we have created a Fibonacci as a function. So first step says as if n equals 0 or 2, okay, I'm say 1 or 2, then it will be written 1. Otherwise it will store two variable, that is a and b. Okay, here is Fibonacci n minus 1 and n minus 10 we will store here, and at last we will return a plus b. Once again student, if n equals to 1 or 2, then it will return 1. Okay, the function will terminate. Otherwise it means to say third step, else part, will say we will take two variable a and b, okay, in which we will decrease the value of n by minus 1 and by minus 2, and these two value will be stored, okay, in a and b, and they will add together and return to the function again. Okay, because it is a recursive method, so this function will run again and again until our condition, that is 1 and 2. So here is a program as I will show you student. So here a particular program we have defined as a fib, that is fib as Fibonacci number. Within round bracket we have passed number of terms, and then after the intent will start, new intent will start. Then after that, if n lesser than or equals to 1, then it will return n, as I said in our algorithm. Otherwise else part, it return Fibonacci function, okay, n minus 1 plus Fibonacci function n minus 2. Here we are passing argument of n by minus 1 and by minus 2, and we are going to add them and return to the function again, okay, until the n will be equals to 1 or lesser than 1. So here after completing this particular function, we come out the particular function, and we have asked the user to enter the number of term in a form of integer. So here typecast by integer, input, enter a number, okay, and then after that user will enter the value. Here we will say if number, okay, lesser than equals to 0, then we can say please enter the positive number. Otherwise else part, it will say print Fibonacci sequence, okay, and we will run a function, I'm say loop, okay, or traverse it. So for I in range number of terms, that is we have taken by the user, okay, and then intent will start and print Fibonacci of I. So student, I have already created a particular program for that. To do that, we have to start open Python, and then after that I will open a file, So here student, a program I have created already, the same thing as I explained. Okay, so here less than if 1, okay, then return n, otherwise it will pass the function, I would say function call statement here along with n minus 1 and n minus 2. Okay, and I ask the user to enter the number of term. If it is 0, it will say it should be positive number, otherwise Fibonacci series will print. Here I have used I as a loop variable and range n term and print Fibonacci of I. So run it student. So here suppose that if I am going to type 5, so you can see that Fibonacci series has printed, that is 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3. If I am going to run this again by number of 9 term, so you can see that till then 21 it will print. Here is 0, 1 and again 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and at last if I am going to run it into number of 10 terms, so you can see 34 will be also come here. Okay student, so question and practical and homework section of the day. Student, you will write the program of the Fibonacci using recursion in Python, okay, and make the note of Fibonacci algorithm function with dry run student, and send this all program, okay, whatever we have done dry run and the program to my email ID. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.